Hey guys, dual battery time. We've decided to go for a plug and play system instead of a separate DC-DC charger and all that stuff. The last car we had was a Pajero, and I had to get my son-in-law to wire it up for me because I couldn't do it. 30 years ago I could wire up pretty much anything, but these days with insurance companies the way they are, if you put the wrong fuse in, you do something wrong, and it burns down, or your car burns down, they just won't do it. So this takes out all of the stress and hassle. And also there are a few other reasons why I went with this system, because it's all plug and play, it's pre-wired, it does come with a 5-year warranty, which I think it's pro rata, I'm not too sure. It's Bluetooth to your phone, which I like, all the gadgets, so you can see in your battery. It's got an audible warning if your battery is too low. It's got a 25 DC to DC charger, and also we're going to go AGM again like last time, but this time we decided to go for a lithium because we're just getting too old and it's just too heavy. So the AGM weighs around 31 kilos, where the LiPo lithium one actually weighs around 14 kilos, I think it was. So just want to really focus mainly just a little bit on the wiring. What I said before, it's just so easy to do. I'll just open it up. So it comes with a fuse already done. So obviously that goes to your, Tracy just stuffed it up again. So
sorry.
So it's really easy to wire up, as I said, not like the other one. You got your plus, your minus, and then you've got the blue wire which goes to a fuse. So your ignition, the car's going to be running fused, and then when your car's off, it won't drain your battery any power. Yeah, so the blue wire actually goes to your ignition source, and it just feeds a little trickle charge back to your battery. Yeah. They give you a spare, well not a spare one, but obviously they don't put the Anderson plug on, so you can feed those through little gaps, and then when you get it to wherever you need to, you just put the Anderson plug on and just plug it straight back in. And that's as simple as that, and they give you a lot of cable ties, so you can wire it to your chassis, obviously. Okay, so I'm just going to unbox it all. Oh, but also, before I forget, we actually bought a charger too, but we'll tell you a little bit about that soon.
Okay.
So this is the first box we're going to unbox, but it actually doesn't tell you what's actually in there. So, yeah, so okay, let's go.
I did give you a pointy knife before.
Yeah, I know. We need actually a proper knife, or a unboxing thing. Okay, so what's in the box? Okay, so that's the top of the battery box. So the brains of it all. Look at the quality of the wiring, how thick it is.
Alrighty.
So this is the box that just tells you everything, all the information you need to know. And that's your DC-DC charger there. It's just, yeah, it's quality stuff. There's your LCD readout, your isolating switch if you want to turn the whole lot off, and your SIG plugs for all your charging stuff. But yeah. And I think this is the battery tray, it's optional. So that's the tray that obviously the battery, you'll bolt that to the bottom of the car, and there's the straps to tie it down to. The only thing is you don't get is nuts and bolts to bolt this down to by the look of it. You have to buy those separate. Yeah, they're just straps. Okay, so this is the charger. So if I park the car in the garage for a couple of days, I can keep it charged. And this will charge pretty much every batteries on the market. Your LiPos, your lithium, yeah, everything. AGMs, everything. And also with these, they give you a good set of alligator clamps. Like, look at those, they are, that's just great. Okay. Cool. And this is the battery. So, there we go. They're so much lighter. Oh, what's that under? Oh, there's your little screws for the terminals. and that's what actually, you screw your battery lid onto that, and that's what actually sends information to your display unit. So that is, it's still quite heavy, but it's so much lighter, I could barely lift the AGM up. And the last one is the battery box itself. So that's the battery box there. Feels quite sturdy. So also in the battery box, you get these little, I think they're silicone little rubber pads. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they help the battery from sliding around in the box. And also, you get 4 screws and an Allen key. So when you put the battery box on the top, you can actually secure it. So it doesn't wobble around and yeah. So just a little bit more about the heart and the brain of the top of the battery box. So it can be flush mounted in the back of your ute, because the Anderson plugs plug straight in like that and in the sides. So you can go in tight spots wherever you like. I'm going to run it off my solar panel as well, that's going to go on the roof. But having said that, when I was up at Kickass, the factory up at Cunningham Park there, I looked at all their products and I kept my old solar panel from my other one. I wish I'd actually sold it now and got a Kickass solar panel, because they're really top quality. But also, another thing I'm going to say, I went and bought a King's fridge slide, but when I was at the Kickass factory as well, I looked at their slides, fridge slides, and they are so much better than the King's ones. Just in my opinion, obviously. So I don't know if I mentioned the LCD screen. There it tells you the discharge, the charge. It's also got a audible alarm that'll send to your phone and let you know that the battery's going flat. You've got an app on your phone where all this information comes up on your phone. Yeah, it's got the brake to turn everything off if you don't want to use it. The DC-DC charger will automatically select what battery you've chosen. So if you've got an AGM battery, it will go to AGM. If you've got a lithium battery, you don't have to set it. It's just plug and play and forget about it. And it's got the 4 SIG chargers there. Obviously for your mobile phones you can charge up different stuff. There's 4 of them, and they're high speed ones as well. What else? And you can also apparently jump start your car if you get the optional jump starter pack leads. You take this out and jump start your car. They don't recommend it to do it too many times with a lithium battery, but apparently you can do that. So we have stuffed up so many times doing this, so I don't know what I've told you, what I haven't told you. So we're going to probably wrap it up there, and we're going to do an install on this in the car. So
On another video.
Yeah, on another video. So hope you guys liked the video. I try my best. I know I'm not the greatest, but just yeah, if you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching again, guys. Hey guys, dual battery time. This time we decided just to go for, let's start again.